Today, I'm breaking down exactly how I made my first $1,000 purely from content creation, specifically from paid collabs and brand ambassadorship. If you want to see what actually works and skip the guesswork, stick around because I'm gonna share with you the step-by-step roadmap. And if you're thinking if this is even possible if you're starting from zero, I promise you it is. And if you're new here, my name is Daisy and I help small content creators start monetizing their platform and find ways to earn online. Click subscribe to support this channel so I can help more of them. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 exact steps that you need to follow in order for you to start monetizing your platform. Number 1, audit your profile and update it. Before you start pitching collabs with brands or with anyone, you have to make sure that your profile actually shows who you are, what do you do, or why someone should work with you. So you have to look at your bio, your highlight, and your grid. Does it clearly say what you offer or show what you really are? You have to treat your profile like your portfolio because this is what brands check first. Number 2, pitch yourself early. Don't wait for brands to discover you. When I was starting, I made a simple media kit, nothing fancy, just my stats, short intro, and example of my work. And I DM'd it or emailed it to the brands that align with my values. You have to remind yourself that you don't need a massive following to start. What matters is showing brands how you can genuinely add value. So proactive pitching is a game changer, especially at the beginning. Number 3, you have to start small and build credibility. My first deals weren't with big names. They were with local businesses or small brands too. These collaborations might pay less or in the beginning just free products or service, but they're very helpful in building your portfolio. When you start working with brands, you get testimonials from them and you start learning how to work with clients. The confidence you gain and the experiences that you build will set you up for bigger opportunities later. Number 4, focus on relationships. Relationships with brands, not just payments, because it's tempting sometimes to just look out for who pays the highest. In the beginning, you have to make sure that you're building relationship with the brand. If you build good relationship with these brands, they will definitely come back for you for future collaborations. They might also refer you. And you always have to aim to deliver more than you promised or exceed what they expect from you, like creating bonus content. Brands remember creators that are very easy to work with. And in the end, they will come back for more collaborations if they feel this way with you. Keep showing up. There will be days where it feels slow and it feels like you're not getting any collaboration and it feels like nothing's happening. But consistency is what keeps your momentum going. Every post, story, and collabs that you put out there adds up. So even when it feels slow in the beginning, just keep going. Keep sharing your journey, keep improving your content, and keep putting yourself out there. Trust me, one partnership leads to another if you follow these steps. And before you know it, these opportunities will multiply. So if you want to hit your first $1,000 from content creation, remember these 5 steps. Number 1, audit your profile and update it. Number 2, pitch yourself early. Number 3, start small to build credibility. Number 4, focus on relationship. And number 5, keep showing up. If you're feeling stuck or feeling overwhelmed, just know that everyone starts in their first $1,000 as well. And it actually feels the hardest. But once you break that barrier, you realize what's possible. You don't have to have it all figured out. Take one step at a time and keep learning as you go. If I can do it, you can too. The first $1,000 is just the beginning, so don't give up. You got this. And if you find any value on this video, like and subscribe or comment down below your thoughts and experience. And as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Last week, I pitched myself in real life to offer a free service of content creation. If you haven't seen it, watch it here. It's fun.